are equity instrument types? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing you all about the equity instruments. But before we begin with the video, make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell icon to never miss out on more videos we post. Financial instruments are assets that can be traded or viewed as capital packages that can be traded. Most financial instruments allows for the efficient flow and transfer of capital across the globe's investors. These assets can include cash, a contractual right to deliver or receive cash, or another type of financial instrument, or proof of ownership of an entity. Businesses that rely on shareholders to fund their operations require equity instruments, while also proving ownership, because it is based on the specific terms of the business and subsequent profits. This type of documentations does not require a dividend return. A financial instrument is a physical or virtual document representing a legal agreement with monetary value. There are two types of financial instruments: cash instruments and derivative instruments. Financial instruments can also be classified into asset classes based on whether they are debt-based or equity-based. Foreign exchange instruments are a third of distinct type of financial instrument. Preferred stock. Preferred stock and common stock are very similar, although the preferred stock is one of the shares that typically does not have voting rights. It has a guaranteed cumulative dividend. Moreover, if the dividend never gets paid within a year, it will surely accumulate till it gets paid off. A preferred stock of an organization, for example, is entitled to be $5 in cumulative dividends per year. The organizations declared a dividend earlier this year but didn't get paid one in the previous 2 years. So this year, the shareholder will somehow receive $15 in dividend. Contributed surplus. Contributed surplus is an amount paid by investor over the value for stock purchase with a par value. This account also holds various gains and losses from selling stocks or other complicated financial instruments. For example, suppose an organization issues 100,000 $1 par value shares at the cost of $10 per share. The first $100,000 is allocated to regular stock, and the remaining $900,000 is allocated to contributed surplus. Retained earnings. Retained earnings are the portions of net income that is not distributed to shareholders as dividends. Instead, it is kept to reinvest in the business or pay off future obligations. Common stock. Common stock represents the owner's or shareholder's investment in the business as a capital contributions. This account represents the share owner's voting rights and their residual claim on its assets. The par value of the shares multiplied by the numbers of shares outstanding equals the value of the common stock. For example, 1 million shares with a par value of $1 million would result in $1 million of ordinary share capital on the balance sheet. Other comprehensive income. Talking about other comprehensive income is deducted from net income over the income statement because it has not yet been realized. Unrealistic profits or losses over the securities that have not yet been sold gets reflected in some comprehensive income. The realized gain or loss is reflected on the income statement as net income when the securities are sold. This is all. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.